was we caught a lot of fish.
Yes,
we did okay,
did. Yeah.
and Marty showed them all up there, and we did all right on the lake.
Yeah, but I believe you caught the biggest fish.
That was a nice fish, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Caught on this plastic,
I
this
know,
green, I mean,
I know.
this purple thing. I mean, it's just, what do you call this?
That's a black grape.
Black grape.
People do call it purple, but it's
black grape. Hey, I
yes.
love black grape. I'm going to use it a lot this spring, as soon as bass season comes in. All right, I'm Alex Zedok, Jeff Camarino. Now, we showed you all the fish we caught. We're going to tell you how you can get these, and not only how you can get them, but a little bit more about them when we get back right after this brief message. Oh, sorry about that, folks. I was just looking, Jeff was showing me a story he had in Bassmaster magazine called Jersey Riggs right there, and that's been a couple times there. I saw you were in Fur Fishing Game not too long ago, and of course here's a Jersey Riggs weighs in with a 10.5-pound largemouth bass. Wow, Richard Faulkner, he caught that someplace up in
Pike County, a local
County,
lake.
huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
It should have been
nice.
my fish, though. No, because we were fishing every other tree.
Oh,
and,
I see.
I had a knot,
Yeah.
so I said, "Go ahead, Rick, you can have
you
it."
can have
yeah,
it, huh?
And that's
yeah,
it.
you know, we read about these kind of things, but I mean, and they're pro bass fishermen. Anybody ever win any money using your
Oh, yeah, it's won about
outfit?
200 tournaments in this country.
Oh, really?
Lee Bailey Jr. out of Connecticut won Bassmaster sanctioned tournament in Missouri on Table Rock. He won $36,000
Wow.
throwing gold Jersey rigs.
Wow.
I mean, my phone rang off the hook that
How about
week.
that?
That was
yeah.
wonderful.
Yeah, that's great.
Yes.
That's great. Now, they can find these in stores. Who carries them
Well,
right now?
they're at your local
Around
stores.
here, who carries them?
Blakely Sports Shop around here.
Okay.
Yeah, the nice people over there, they're carrying our product. I really don't know the names of the other ones. I'd have to look on my computer.
Yeah,
but you can
so
find us on the
get
internet.
No, but I mean, I know it's on the internet. Okay.
Right.
And I mean, are you in Walmart, Kmart, any of those
Yeah,
stores?
we're in some
of those?
Walmart. We're in
some of those?
Gander Mountain. In,
okay.
Dixon City. And,
But the easiest way is buy them direct.
Yeah, direct is fast.
Okay.
You get them almost 2 days.
Okay, and how can they get those?
Well, they can just, we're going to put out the information on the screen at the end of this program.
Right.
It's just Jersey Rigg.